first time I did that. And comment good things. And today we're having a special guest on our second video because we've had a special guest on every other video. And the special guest is, at least her nickname is, Colby.
Hi guys, this is my first time being on your channel. So.
Just like everyone else.
Yep, and I hope this is going to be fun. So let's get started.
So what we're going to actually make is we're going to make any type of lantern you would want to call it.
Yeah.
So what you're going to need is...
You're going to need a jar, a mason
jar. Or whatever type of jar.
Yeah, it has writing on it because this is what we can only find.
You're going to need water.
And you're going to need a light.
Also,
you can get it at any hardware store, Amazon, you can get it anywhere.
No, you cannot get it anywhere.
You can get any hardware store or or on Amazon.
Or light.
Okay. Let's move on.
You're also going to need
a bee printout.
Or any other printout that you want.
You can print them at any website you want.
And this is the printout that we're using.
Maybe they should.
We just searched. They can see. We just searched cute bee. If you think our bee is cute, say I think your bee is cute in the comments.
Yeah.
You'll also need scissors.
And you'll need some tape. It can be any type of tape, but it's gonna have to be clear.
You'll also need cotton squares.
Yeah, but for your water, it can have any dye in it if you want to make it colorful.
Or if you want this to be tinted.
Yeah, if you want, Okay.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your scissors and cut this out. Do you want to do the honors?
I will, since I'm the special guest.
I'm basically a special guest because I've been hosting all the special guests.
Maybe you can do
Just so all of you guys know, you should never try cutting a Coke with a knife because today I got a very bad cut on my finger.
Yeah, never cut with a knife because it could hurt you. And
you can cut with a knife.
Well,
but
you can.
Do not cut a Coke with a knife because I got hurt. This is just paper. That's just a tip. You can cut with it.
Yeah.
Make sure you cut straight.
Okay.
I think there's a bit more on that side.
These are like really big scissors.
I know. Okay, so after you got in your picture, you're gonna put it in your jar.
Yeah.
Or you could first get your cotton squares
and
put them in the water and soak a bit of it out. And you're just gonna actually start. You can do this first or next after you put it in the jar, but it's easier if you do it first. So now you're just gonna rub it and dab it on there so it sticks kind of to the jar. And then the tape part that we said you could use tape is kind of optional actually because this way is what the tape is more like for a permanent thing because this is not gonna be permanent on a jar.
Yeah.
Now you're just going to put it in. Look, I'm kind of struggling.
I could help you.
I can do it, I think. Okay, let me just put this to my side. Go in. There we go. Got it. I think I got it. Yeah, I did. I totally got it. So you're going to just press it down on the sides of the jar and hope it looks good. Ours is looking pretty good.
Yeah. And just put your cotton tabs to the side. If you have any other use for them, use them.
Yeah. And yep. Go on. Now you're going to kind of keep dabbing on your cotton so it just flattens out a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you do not want to get any water on your light bulb. It could electrocute you or do something like that. So try not to do that.
Yeah. Try to keep your light bulb dry as possible.
Ours is kind of tilted because I had some trouble putting it in.
Yeah.
You can make it not tilted.
Yeah, you can do it however you want. You can have it upside down, be even.
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, put it any position you like.
So next you're going to get this and put it in here. But you have to make sure it's not wet.
Or
So-
if there's no white knots in the like cord.
Oh.
Okay.
Weird sound moment. So now we're just gonna plug this in as you let me. So she's gonna plug it in. Okay.
Yep.
There's a plug right next to you.
Okay.
It's in. Now we are going to turn it on. Turn it on. It's really light. You can't really see the bee right now, but it looks really cool.
Yeah.
And then
Now, if you have any top,
if you want, you can drill a hole in the top and make this.
or
But that would
you
be
could-
really hard.
or you can just make it with tinfoil. Make a top of tinfoil,
if you want, we'll
and
just
to keep the light in. And you could put like two printable designs, like, or two printable designs in the jar or all
If you
over.
want. You also
Yeah.
can add accessories, which
Yeah.
you might want to do. And if you like this like little creepy moment, we could have it at the starting of any video. Ah! Look at the shadows! Wah!
Wow!
Yeah. I'm big. Okay, that's fun. And bye for now, guys.
Bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe,
And
and
leave a thumbs
leave
up.
a thumbs
Okay,
up.
liking is.